This question's about a few things, but one of those is the idea of whether this notation means we should be plugging in for x or for y. So we've been talking a lot about this slide, but if you have f of some number, that means you plug it in as x. But if you have f of x equals some number, that means you plug it in as y. In other words, you set the whole equation equal to that number. So here we have f of 5 and f of a. So we're plugging those in as our x's. So f of 5 would be absolute value 5 minus 4 times 5. And f of a would be absolute value of a minus 4 times a. So right now we have f of 5 minus f of a equals negative 15. So we'll set all this equal to negative 15. So now, simplifying this easier part here, that's 5 minus 20, which is negative 15. But if we're doing the absolute value of that, we're getting positive 15. So 15 right there. Minus, and let's see what we have for this part. Here we have a minus 4a, so that would be negative 3a. And let's just keep it like that for now to not take any shortcuts that we're not sure we can take. So this is all equal to negative 15. And one thing we can do now is take away 15 from both sides to get this part out of here. So right now we have negative absolute value of negative 3a equals negative 30. And in this situation, we have a negative outside of both sides. So we can get rid of that by just multiplying both sides by negative 1. And that's going to give us, I'm going to go ahead and write at the top of the screen, that's going to give us positive, this absolute value equals positive 30. Now to solve an absolute value equation, you have to split it into two scenarios. So in this example, it would be 2x minus 3 equals 10, 2x minus 3 equals negative 10. So for us here, this is negative 3a equals 30, and negative 3a equals negative 30. So we just took away the absolute value and set it equal to a positive and a negative. So for this side, if we divide both sides by negative 3, we'll have a equals negative 10. And on this side, if we divide both sides by negative 3, we'll have a is positive 10. So negative or positive 10 could have been an answer, and the only one being offered to us is positive 10.